Hey, welcome to prep. I want to walk you through the best way to get started in the class and the best way to maintain your momentum and work through the class in the smartest way. So we're on the home page right now, and from the home page you're going to click on Course Materials. Course Materials is going to open up the table of contents. When you open the table of contents, you always want to start at the very top of your list, and for each item that has a little dot next to it, what you're trying to do is change that dot into a check mark. And in order to do that, you have to watch or read, open, and interact with each of the lesson requirements in the order that they're in. So the very first thing is my welcome to you, which is a short video. So you're going to watch that, and then you're going to go back to this page, and when you get back, you've changed that dot into a check mark. Fantastic. The reason why you want to do that is for each item that you watch and view, you're unlocking materials later on. So there are materials in the course that you're not going to be able to see until you've unlocked, read, watched, engaged with the learning materials before. So it kind of works like a video game. So you have to reach a certain level before the next thing opens. Okay, so you're turning your dots into check marks. The second thing is going to be instructions on your introductory letter, which is a very simple letter where you introduce yourself to us. And when you see this little icon and this word, this icon and this word, that tells you that this is where you're going to submit a writing assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up the instructions on how to write that letter. So you'll read through it. You'll write your letter. You're going to save your letter as a Word document. It's actually really important that you save it as a Word document. If you're working on a Mac computer, you still need to save it as Word or as a PDF because eCourseWare does not recognize pages, and so if you upload pages, it just looks like gobbledygook and we can't read it. So save it as a Word document, and then you're going to come all the way down here to these buttons, and you're going to click on the upload button, which is going to take you to your laptop's your storage, and you're going to find the document that you saved your introductory letter as. So I'm going to click that, open. It'll show you where it's uploaded. If you need to leave a note for your instructor, you can leave that here, and then you click Submit to Dropbox. Once you've done that, you'll get a little confirmation email sent successfully. You'll also get an email, and I'll show you where that is in a minute. So pretend you've uploaded your intro letter. You're going to come back to the orientation module again. And the last thing in this module is going to be the Prep Academy agreement. This is set up like a quiz. So when you see this question mark along with quiz, it means you're about to take a quiz. Normally that means the quiz is going to be on the materials preceding that. So there might be a video or some reading materials for you. For this first one, there's nothing for you to study. It's just a series of questions where you answer yes and affirm that you're going to follow the rules of the Prep Academy. So you'll do that, you'll submit it. Once you've done that, then underneath Prep Academy Orientation, you're going to see the next little bit of information pop up for you, and you'll be able to keep moving through the course. Okay? I want to show you one more thing before we stop. If you look up here at the very top, you're going to see these icons. This is where you're going to check your email. So your email is not going to look quite like mine because I've got a lot more than you will, but it'll say Dropbox submission receipt when you get a new Dropbox item. You're going to have notifications up here. You're going to have Messaging alerts, if you have a little red dot up here, you should always go and check it and see what it says. So I think the main thing to remember every single time you log in, when you start on the course homepage, your very next thing to do is always go to course materials, click on it, go back to the table of contents, and pick up where you left off. You must work through the class in order. It's very important that you do so. I hope that helps. I hope you enjoyed that little lesson, and I look forward to working with you.